Hi Leo, I'm Anisha. You can visit me at www.tarotbyanisha.com and this is your monthly forecast for March 2012. For those of you who are watching me for the first time, I combine astrology with tarot. I look at the broad planetary movement and I focus more on the slow moving planets because I think they have a long lasting effect. So let's have a look, Leos, what's in store for you in March. We start this month with the beautiful goddess Venus, also identified by the Romans as an equivalent of Aphrodite, the Greek goddess, and the wonderful and mighty Zeus, who's Jupiter. He's the king of gods. He's one of the largest planets of the solar system, and he's also the guy who rules the sky and thunder. We have both these beautiful planets who are conjuncting in Taurus. Venus and Jupiter are going to be doing their waltz in your 10th house of reputation, PR, promotions, career, the way that you're looked at in society by your colleagues, by your peers, by your friends. The 10th house also rules your VIPs, your government officials, your some amount of a contractual agreements. So there could be a lot of work that you're doing with regards with it could be visas, doing something with the government or getting some licensing out. So it's a great time and the work will get done very smoothly for you. So put your best foot forward this month, Leo. You're going to be building relationships. I think networking is a very ugly word. And you're going to be meeting the most fabulous people that you have never ever met in your life before, and they are going to be helping you in your career. So from the 5th to the 17th, I think you should just go ahead and mark these dates in your calendars because it's going to be a magical time for you, really. So in ways that you have ever imagined your career to be taking off, or not imagined, or not even, or maybe dreamt of. This is the month where all your dreams, as far as your work is going to be concerned, they're all going to be coming true for you. You're going to be having the Midas touch. So anything and everywhere that you go, you're going to be having that charm. You're going to be getting that attention. And of course, Leos, you love attention. You love it when people just stand out there and lap up everything that you have to say. Around the 20th, we also have Sun, that is your ruling planet. And Sun is going to be coming out and it's going to be giving its cheer, its clarity, its brightness to you. And let's look at your love life now. You are going to be doing a lot of socializing this month. You're going to be meeting up with a lot of your old friends and also some new friends that you may have made recently, some very creative people. Around the end of the month, say about 24th, or so, we have Mars that is squaring up with Neptune, and they don't seem to be liking each other too much at this point of time. So there could be some travel glitches. You may change your travel plans at the last minute. So if you are traveling to another country or to another city, do check up the weather. Mercury also incidentally was also known as the god Hermes in the Greek mythology, and he was a transporter of souls from one world to another world. It was considered a very divine role. So the transportation piece of it comes under him, Mercury, and he's retrograde. The tarot tip for you this month, Leos, is humility, humbleness. I know it's very hard for a Leo to be humble, stay grounded. Don't let the success go to your head. And stay true to yourself, Leos. So have a great month. I'll see you again in April, and thank you so much for watching.